guys, welcome to the channel. Today, don't leave, we have something cool. We showed this on our Instagram. We got hundreds of thousands of views, and it's basically a cool way to install a faucet, right? What's the biggest problem you have with installing a faucet?
Same thing I have
the
with
whole thing.
Video is make sure we're recording. Honestly, the biggest thing besides trying to get off the couch and do something, installing the faucet, is actually underneath. Usually you have to install the nut from underneath or loosen the nut from underneath. And down there, you got the sink, you got the pipes, you got your garbage disposal, you got the wall. It's a pain in the butt. Which is nice is Pfister developed a very smart and genius way to install it and tighten it from the top, which makes it fast and makes it easy. And you usually need two people because you have to have one person hold the top to make sure it's not torquing.
Yes. Yeah,
exactly.
So you guys, basically Pfister came up with this easy way. You could do it in 60 seconds. You can do it in 100 seconds if you like. I would say the average person's going to do it in 5 minutes or less, taking their time. Yeah, because you're going to want to take your time as fast as you can do it. You still want to take your time, make sure you don't have leaks. But they do have a contest, so we'll talk about it in a little bit here. So basically, you guys, you're going to stick your hoses down through. This whole shaft is going to go through, and this piece right here is going to stay locked like that until it goes through, and then it will come like that, right? So now all you need to do is tighten it. Normally, like Eric said, it's a nut. You got to spin this whole piece. This piece stays stationary. You take this little plastic included tool right here. You put it in the top. It goes right in. Oh, it's already in. It goes in. Put your drill in.
You can see that moving.
Did you see it moving? And at the end there, I gave it a lot of throttle, a lot of torque, because I wanted to see what would happen. It doesn't strip it. It doesn't do anything. It literally is the perfect torque.
Which is nice, and it protects your countertop. You don't have to worry if you got granite or something else about cracking it or over tightening it or messing up the nut.
Right. In that tool, it's like a clutch system. It's weird. It's like two pieces of plastic, and if it gets too much torque, the inner plastic will just spin without spinning the tool. Very cool. Well, once you have that all in there and this is tightened, right, then you're going to run your water line down through. And then you just snap your neck right into place. And then
all you do is you put your weight on, then you put this
included adapter.
So all you do, just screws right on. And this is where the hot and the cold come through here. Put that on right there. It goes up through the mixing valve.
Your whole hose system is installed, ready to go. All you need to do is hook up your hot and cold water. You hook this up, nice and snug. Don't over tighten it, and you're ready to go.
It's seriously that easy.
It takes longer to take the old one off. That's what Eric said.
Yeah.
Longer to take the old one off. And I mean, it's ingenious, you know. Yeah, granted, you might not only install a faucet every 15, 20 years, but, you know, if you're a plumber, hey, I might be going for these easy TopFits, you know.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, even as a homeowner, I mean, especially when you don't have experience doing it, it can be a pain because you need a special tool for underneath getting the nut up there. So you got to invest in that. You got to buy that, and you're probably only going to use it once. It's just the simplicity of it. But also what we were talking about earlier is, you know what? It's very cool that it's simple and it's easy. But one thing we like is the quality. Like I think I did my bathroom in 2005, 2006 or something like that. I put a different brand faucet on there. Had it for 2 or 3 years. It went bad. I think maybe 2010 I installed the other faucet. I've got a 10 and a 12-year-old, so they really don't care about anything. They beat the heck out of it. But the Pfister I have, this is for a bathroom sink. Finish is still good. You know, it's just they're quality faucets.
Right, and that's huge, and that's what you want. You know, now you have the quality with the ease of installation.
Yes.
Also, they have a contest. We'll put a link below. It's pfisterfaucets.com/TopFit contest hyphen in there somewhere. We'll put the link below. You just click it. What?
Hyphen in there somewhere.
Well, there is.
We'll have it below, guys, where you can just
that,
click on it and go right to it.
We'll put the thing below, and you guys can click over there. If you have this faucet, if you install it, you can win thousands of dollars worth of prizes.
$2,000, right?
Yeah, $2,000 worth of prizes. What's the dates they can enter? And it started
April 1st. So it already started, and then it'll close on April 30th of 2021.
Yeah. So check it out, you guys. If you're a whiz with that, if you're a plumber, you've been installing these all day long, give it a shot, man. Whip it through. Let's see it. And then I think on Instagram we're going to post more about the show. I got another video of a guy doing it.
Yeah, it's cool. It's very cool. I just love the idea that someone came up with and built, like, I don't know, instead of, hey, why mess around below when we can just make it nice and easy from the top?
Yeah, go. Damn. Okay, done except
53.
for 53 seconds except for tightening them, which I'm not doing. We gotta do it. Just forget about tightening. Just hand tight. 53 seconds. All right, who's next?
That's good, dude. Okay.
Tell us when you're ready.
I'm ready.
But you're going for speed.
Well, okay. Ready? Go.
What's he at, Paul?
32.
Those are the ones that get you.
45. Man, I can't get my
All right, that's good. What's that?
58.
58. What was I at?
53.
53. That's the hardest part, actually.
If I should have laid down what you did.
Yeah.
If I would have done that.
Alright guys, as you can see, the faucet's installed crazy fast. Don't forget to enter Fister's TopFit installation contest. It's going on all month long with $5,000 in cash prizes. So we hope you guys win. Good luck and talk to you soon.